Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. This is going to be another quick Mustang video. If you watched one of the last Mustang videos that I did, I took off the coil covers, cleaned up the engine bay because God knows that it needed it. There was a couple of comments on Facebook of something that I didn't even know was a thing because I'm kind of new to this Coyote platform, and that is the sound tube that apparently runs from the intake into the cabin. Apparently that serves absolutely no purpose except to pump some sound into the cabin. If you have a Mustang with muffler deletes, you don't need any more sound inside of the cabin, and that hose just looks horrible in the engine bay. So I hopped on eBay, found a kit from Blowfish Racing from www.blowfishracing.com, and it comes with the cap for the intake, the clamp for the intake, and the firewall block off as well. So I'm going to pull the Mustang over to the garage and we're going to get rid of that god-awful sound tube. Oh my god, it is so hot in this car. Cold start up. Need to get some fuel. We'll worry about that in a little bit. So as you can see, the motor looks still clean. We haven't drove it in the rain since I cleaned it all. Coil covers look absolutely amazing in red. I really wish I could have did something with this, but I found something online that I may try. More to come on that. But this is the fender that we are going to remove. It's got a big piece here. This ungodly, unsightly thing here comes all the way back through here. You've got this big hunk of crap, and then it goes into the firewall right there. So this right here is what the kit comes with. It comes with this little cap that is going to cap right here. You've got the clamp that obviously clamps that on, and you've got this cap that goes back onto the firewall that just kind of pushes in. Now I'm sure that you could probably buy this stuff at the hardware store for like $3. This kit off eBay was $13 shipped because I was impatient and didn't feel like going and sourcing everything out and measuring it. Now I have it here. So this should be a crazy super easy install. I mean, it is just like removing a couple things. So I'm gonna grab some tools, but get this ungodly looking sound tube off of this car. All right guys, so tools that you are going to need a 10mm socket, and that is to get that bolt off of the fender. You're going to need a 1/4 inch socket to get this off, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. Also going to need a pair of pliers of some sort to get this clamp off. So that is going to be the first thing that we do, is squeeze this, get this off. Simple enough. Next thing we're going to do, pull that off. Then we're going to come back here to the fender, zip this thing off. That separates that. Apparently there is a clip that sets down in the fender. Don't lose this, just in case for some reason you want to install this ungodly thing back on your car. So we're going to come back to the firewall, and a simple pull gets that off, and you have one more clamp up under here that will just pull off, and that gets rid of all of this from your engine bay. So moving on to the install, we're going to take this cap, we're going to stick it right over top of that, put this on it. All right guys, now that we have discovered that we need a flathead instead of that 1/4 inch, we're going to zip this little band right on there. We're going to come and take this cap, and if you can see, there is a little hole in that firewall that pushes flush right up against it. All right guys, so that is our newly de-sound tubed engine bay. Kind of opens up this whole side, gets rid of, like I said, that big ungodly tube that you do not need. If you've got a modded Coyote car, you do not need that sound tube. It does absolutely nothing for you. Maybe it does pump a little bit more sound into the cabin, but do you really need it? I mean, come on. I mean, the Coyote sounds amazing. Like, you don't need some like artificial intake noise pumped into the cabin to really hear it. I mean, so Ford, props to you for trying to give us a better experience from the factory. It just looks so much better without it. So guys, I know that was kind of a short video, but I just wanted to show you the new kit that I got in for the Mustang, and since we've already been under the hood of it here lately, I just wanted to show you what it looks like cleaned up. Since I cleaned the under hood, I kind of like looking at it. It looks pretty good. I'd like to do something about the silver strut bar, but it kind of works with the little chrome 5.0 badge and little chrome little fake intake things here, and this little chrome guy. I guess it works. I don't know. What do you think? Should we powder coat the strut bar or just get a new one? Comments below. What do we do with the strut bar? Now it's kind of bothering me. If you like this video, if you like all the content, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, all of that. Help me get in the YouTube algorithm because we're almost at 3K finally, and hopefully this channel starts to take off now that content is coming consistently. So subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.